In August 1977, a 72-second radio flash from deep space stunned astronomers. For decades, the WOW signal was our best clue that aliens might be trying to say hello. Now, a purpose-built AI has analyzed all the original data. What it found doesn't just rewrite the story. It lays the alien myth to rest. The truth, it turns out, is far stranger. The legend began at Ohio State's Big Ear Telescope. On August 15, 1977, it detected an extraordinary narrowband spike at 1420 MHz, the frequency of cosmic hydrogen. Reviewing the data, astronomer Jerry Emmon was so stunned, he circled the code and scrawled WOW on the printout. The signal lasted just 72 seconds, peaked dramatically, and then vanished. It never returned. Decades of follow-up searches found only silence, cementing the WOW signal as a perplexing beacon from the unknown. Why did this one pulse mean so much? It hit the cosmic bullseye. First, the frequency. 1420 MHz is the universe's universal calling card, tied to hydrogen, the most common element. Second, the signal was incredibly narrowband, focused like a laser rather than a floodlight. Finally, its intensity was off the charts, like a fire alarm in a silent library. For SETI, it was the loudest, most compelling candidate for an alien message ever found. It seemed almost too perfect to be natural. For decades, the mystery was clouded by fragile paper records. Scans of the original printouts were filled with errors. But then, over 1,000 volunteers meticulously corrected the data, revealing new clues. This massive effort refined the signal's frequency to a new, ultra-precise number. This tiny shift was monumental. It definitively ruled out all known satellites and ground-based interference. Paradoxically, the signal suddenly became even more mysterious and alien-like than we ever thought. This is where the AI detective comes in. Fed with the newly cleaned data, its mission was to find any natural event that could mimic such a perfect beacon. Sifting through enormous sky surveys, the AI found something incredible. It identified dozens of candidate events-vent echoes of the WOW signal's signature that were invisible to 1970s tech. The source: natural hydrogen clouds being supercharged by a powerful cosmic event. So how does this work? Imagine a Magnetar, hypermagnetic dead star unleashing an X-ray flash. This energy blast strikes a nearby hydrogen cloud like a tuning fork. The cloud's atoms then vibrate in unison, firing a focused beam of radio energy at that exact 1420 MHz frequency. The cloud becomes a natural amplifier, or maser. The beam is incredibly thin, like a lighthouse beam. Earth simply swept through it once, explaining why the signal was a one-time event. We couldn't imagine this in 1977. Magnetars were still science fiction. You might think solving the WOW signal is a letdown for SETI, but it's a profound lesson. If nature can create a signal that's perfect, our search needs more than one-off events. A lone whisper isn't proof. The same AI is now the ultimate spam filter for the cosmos. Used by projects like Breakthrough Listen, it automatically junks thousands of natural false positives, letting scientists focus only on the signals that are truly persistent and anomalous. If you love cosmic detective stories like this one, join our journey of exploration. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We have more mind-bending tales from the edge of the universe coming your way every single week. But solving one mystery often uncovers another. The AI found that these Magnetar maser bursts happen far more often than our theories predict. Are these dead stars more active than we assumed? Or is another, unknown trigger at play? The AI is already on its next quest, sifting through X-ray data to solve this new cosmic enigma. The universe always has more secrets. So, The wow signal was not an alien hello, but the first recorded example of a natural maser flare. An AI didn't just crack a 40-year-old case. It rewrote the rulebook for telling cosmic noise from an actual message. It's given us a new set of ears. The next time the universe shouts, we'll know how to listen smarter. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence continues, but now it's sharper than ever before.